Hi everyone, want to speed up your content creation process without sacrificing quality? Today, let me show you how to use the Nim.video to maximize productivity and make video production 10 times faster. Let's get started. First, what is a Nim.video? It is an AI-powered platform that turns your text prompts into a ready-to-share videos. No editing software needed, no animation required, and it's a plug and play for creators and marketers. Then you can start with a clear prompt or idea or script. Then the name video will instantly generate a visual storyboard and voiceover based on your prompt. Then speed up your workflow. Here's how to boost your productivity. No need for the stock footage hunting, built-in AI voiceovers, auto formatting for social platforms, and edit in seconds, not hours. Then, for the real world, you can use cases whether you're a content creator, digital marketer, online educator, and more. You can use Name Video to batch produce videos for product explainers, course content, social media reels, and pitch decks or demos. And once your video is done, you can now export it in HD and share it to your social posts and pages. And that's how the new video can revolutionize your workflow and free up your time to focus on what really matters. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more boost productivity content. Thanks for watching.